guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Erica with Confessions of a Homeschooler, and today we will be unboxing the March 2019 Sew Sampler box. If you're unfamiliar with the Sew Sampler, they're a monthly quilting sewing subscription box. They come with patterns, fabric, notions, all kinds of goodies are in here. Oh, and I will put a link in the description box below where you can get it if you would like more information. Let's go ahead and get started. So this box is titled Paris French Market. It looks really pretty. On the back, there's a 20% off Jolly Bars, which is also awesome. And they always have coupons on the backs of these. Then, of course, inside they have our little handout that tells us everything that's in our box, how much it's worth, and there's also another coupon in here for 20% off all box items, so that's awesome as well. So the first thing in our box here are peels, spool huggers. There's 12 of them in here. These are by the Gypsy Quilter, and these are retailing for $9.98. And basically what you use these for is to just wrap them around your spool of thread. They keep the loose end from kind of going all over, so that, I don't know if you guys can see my, ooh, I should turn my camera. Can you guys see my thread wall over here? So you can just put these guys on your thread, and then it'll take care of all those little loose ends, and then when you pull them out, you don't have threads all tangled up and stuff. So kind of fun. I gotta say that I've already gotten one of these in a Sew Sampler, but I think it was like a couple years ago. So this, for me, I think is a repeat product, but like I said, if you haven't been getting them for a couple of years, then you probably don't have these yet. Okay, this is something new, which I do not have, and I will take it out of here. It's an iron rest, heat-safe silicone mat. Protects surfaces from hot irons, withstands temperatures up to 260 degrees Celsius, 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and size accommodates most household irons. Dimensions are 7 by 10 7/8 inches. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It's a really pretty aqua color, super cute. And this one is saying it retails for $10.98. So I think that's cute. I'm not sure how much I'll use this because I've got this iron back here, and it already just has its own charging rest. And so I don't have one of those kind of irons that I'm setting up. So I guess it's nice if you have like a regular iron, you can just leave it flat. And then yeah, hopefully it doesn't burn through anything. I don't know. I think I'm a little bit nervous about this one, but maybe I'll give this one away because yeah, kind of the way my iron is set up, it doesn't really work. But let's see if it fits most irons. Yeah, not bad. Would definitely fit on there, but like I said, the problem is my iron charges when it's in its base. If you want information on my iron that I have, I'll link it in the description box below. It's a Panasonic NIWL 600. It's cordless. It looks like a football on the bottom, and I actually really love it. I don't know if I'd really use this product this much, but if you have a traditional iron, then you probably are excited about this one. Next product in our box this month is the Tim Holtz 7-inch titanium SNIPS. These are retailing for $13.98, and micro serrated cutting edges, let's see, plastic cap included for safe storage, which also helps ensure the quality and sharpness of your scissors. So these have, I don't know if you can, yeah, I'm sure you can tell, these have unusually large handles, which are great. So they feel like a large pair of scissors, but then they have this tiny little tip down here. So definitely interesting. I do not have a pair of these, so that's kind of cool. And they're really nice and smooth. They feel like they're gonna be nice and sharp. So I like Tim Holtz products actually. I've used some of his other stuff back when I was at scrapbooking and whatnot, and so he always has really cool products, so hopefully these will be a keeper. I can't remember if I said these retail for $13.98. Okay, and then there's kind of an extra in this box, Brookside quilt pattern. Finished size 30.5 by 35.5, so it's kind of like a little wall hanging there, and it's a Jolly Bar pattern. And yeah, super cute. This one actually looks nice and easy. This is not the main pattern in here. I'll show you that in a second. But this one actually looks really cute and easy, and I feel like you could put this together pretty quickly, probably in an afternoon. Anyways, that's like a little extra that they had in here. They don't have it on the card that I can see, so I don't think it's being counted as part of your value of your box. It was just a little extra that they threw in. The pattern for this month is Sprouts Quilt Pattern, bonus size option included. So this is what it looks like, and it looks like you can do 48.5 by 48.5 or 60.5 by 76.5. And then it tells you, of course, what you need on the back side for both of those. So here's the smaller one, and then here's the larger one. And then let's check out this pattern. I haven't had a chance to look at it. It's actually pretty straightforward, guys. One of my favorite things about these Fat Quarter Shop boxes, the Sew Sampler boxes, that their patterns are always really beginner friendly. And so this one's no different. It looks like it's pretty easy and straightforward. There's nothing, you know, crazy or anything about this pattern, but then the stars and the blocks actually turn out really cute. So they look a little more complicated than they are. And then of course, to go with this pattern, we have some fabric here. And I'm not gonna unroll this because I will never get this rolled back up, but it is a Chantilly, the new fabric by Figtree & Co. And this one is a Jolly Bar. And if you're unfamiliar with a Jolly Bar, it's basically like half of a layer cake. And so it's 5 inches wide by 10 inches tall. And look at all these pretty colors. I always love Figtree fabrics. They are some of my favorite, and I love the really nice soft look of these. Here's one of the blues. They've got this nice soft yellow. Looks like most of the prints have some kind of floral or berry on them, but this really nice kind of pastel-y green, like a light apple green. There was the blue. There's some light kind of peach in there. Some more. They always have their signature kind of tan in there as well. There's some more of the green. Green. Some white. There's a little bit of a darker, it's almost kind of a corally color. Super pretty. Anyways, I don't want to unroll this guy though because this will be impossible to get back together. Here you can kind of see the overall color scheme of the roll, but it's super, super pretty. Definitely signature Figtree colors, so that's nice. All right, so the Fat Quarter Shop exclusive, because it's a Jolly Bar, they're the only ones that put this size out. It includes 42 5 by 10 inch rectangles, and it retails for $18.98. And of course it can go with this pattern, or you can also use it with the first one that I showed you as well. Okay, and then the last thing in our box, and it's in a bag this time, normally they're not, is, oh, it's because it's the finishing. Okay, so there's two things in here. We've got our final recipe block, so this is recipe block number 12. And if you've been following me, you'll know that each month they have one of these in there. It's kind of a cool thing that they do with their Sew Sampler boxes. If you're new to Sew Sampler, each month you get a new block pattern, and then you can put them all together in the end. There's 12 of them, and so you'll have like a sampler quilt of similar blocks, but all different styles. So this one was the barn block quilt, and this is the last block in that. Super cute. And then they also included the finishing recipe, which the finishing quilt, let's see, the quilt looks like it will end up at 54.5 inches by 69.5 inches, and then they kind of have the sample of what it'll look like on there, and then they tell you how much background fabric and everything you need. And then they've got this little star sashing actually between the barn blocks, which is cute. This is what I did on, I don't know if you've seen my 4th of July quilt. I'll try and insert a picture here if I can, but anyways, it had these little star sashings in between, and so I might be doing a tutorial on that soon. I've had so many requests. It looks like they put theirs together a little bit differently than I did it, but still super cute. So you get your finishing kit and your final block card in here as well. Okay, so that is everything that came in the March 2019 Sew Sampler box, you guys. I think my favorites are going to be, I'm really happy to have the final barn block. I do plan on making this quilt, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'll put my username down here for you, but I will be posting it there. I've been waiting for the final block to come because I kind of like to put everything together at once. I think my favorite things are going to be these scissors and of course this Jolly Bar. This fabric is really pretty, and it makes me want to go out and grab maybe a fat quarter bundle of it, or at least a fat 1/8 bundle, so I can make yeah, something a little bit larger. But anyways, those are my favorites for this month's box. Let me know in the comments what your favorites are. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I really like doing these for you. It gives you guys a good idea of what you're going to get in the boxes before you spend your own money on them. So if you like these, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Link is below. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time.